another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my Stampin' Clear blocks. So these have been used and it's just a good idea to give them a good clean, and it'll help your photopolymer and your cling stamps stick to them better. Now I have been using some older retired stamps that don't have cling or photopolymer, and I add some double-sided tape to these and they get very sticky and icky and yucky. So before I do throw them in for a wash, I grab some eucalypt oil and a cotton ball. Just add a little bit of that to that. And I will take off my sticky. So I just like to make sure that sticky is, and some sticky on this one. Got some ink on that one, that'll come off in there. Then I can pop my blocks in, add some dishwashing liquid and some water, and then I've got just a fresh chucks, and I'm just going to give them a wipe over. Clear block washing day. You wash, pull the plug, and I've got just a bit of paper towel to sit on the side. Woo, that was a bit hot, Miss Jane. And just set them all up to dry off. It's nice and clean for your cling and your photopolymer stamps to stick to your blocks. Okay, and once they have dried a little bit, I then like to take just a microfiber cloth and give them a wipe over, so they're nice and ready to go. Nice, fresh, clean, clear Stampin' Block. If you haven't done your clear blocks for a while, it's time to get them out and get cleaning. And until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping.